choice today with the 2019 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, power windows. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.